हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सौरव सर क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं गेट मैथमेटिक्स 2024 पेपर का सॉल्यूशन। इफ़ यू नीड क्लासेस फ्रॉम आवर साइड और डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन, मॉक टेस्ट और स्टडी मटेरियल की ज़रूरत है तो आप डायरेक्ट कॉल और व्हाट्सएप कर लीजिए इस नंबर पे। ओके, सो आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 से। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 में क्या बोला गया है? Let u equals to u of xt, that be a solution of del u by del t minus 4 del 2u by del x2 equals to 0 for 0 less than x less than 1 and t greater than 0, and u of 0t equals to u of 1t equals to 0 for t greater than equals to 0, and u of x comma 0, that means sin pi x where 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 1. So define the gt, that means integration of 0 to 1 u of x of t whole square dx for t greater than 0. Which one of the following is correct? Option A. What is the option A? So option A में है g is increasing on 0 comma infinity and limit t tends to infinity g of t equals to 0, and option B में क्या बोला गया है? g is decreasing on 0 comma infinity and limit t tends to infinity of g of t equals to 1 by 4, and g is increasing on 0 comma infinity and limit t tends to infinity g of t does not exist, and option D में क्या बोला गया है? g is increasing on 0 comma infinity and limit t tends to infinity g of t equals to 3. So how can we solve this type of problem? Let's find. So to determine the correct behavior of gt, we need to analyze the given partial differential equation and its solution. The equation is del u t by 4 del 2 u by dx del x2 equals to 0, and boundary condition is u of 0 comma t equals to u of 1 comma t equals to 0, and initial condition is u x comma 0 is sin pi x. This is a heat equation with diffusion coefficient 4. This is a heat equation with, ये क्या है? heat equation है with diffusion coefficient 4. okay, so अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए the general solution heat equation, this boundary condition can be represented using the separation of variables. Assume that the solution of the form u of xt equals to capital X x of x into t of t. So we are plugging this into the PD gives क्या देता है? x of x, that means t dash, the derivative means derivative of t dash of t, where 4x double dash of x and t of t. okay, so dividing both sides by 4x of x into t by t. So what will be the result? T dash t double dash sorry t dash t dash of t डिवाइडेड बाई 4tt। पहला लाइन में हम क्या कर दिए, इस इक्वेशन को डिवाइड कर दिए किससे, 4x ऑफ x and t of t से। okay, so what will be the result, t of t 40 by 40 of t, that means x double dash of x divided by x of x, that means equals to minus lambda, where lambda is a separation constant। lambda क्या है, सेपरेशन कांस्टेंट है। ठीक है, this leads to two ordinary differential equation। what are the two ordinary differential equation, one is t dash of t plus 4 lambda t of t equals to 0, and another one is x double dash of x plus lambda x of x equals to 0. So the boundary conditions such that u of 0 comma t equals to 0 and u of 1 comma t equals to 0, that imply x of 0 equals to 0 and x of 1 also 0. So the solving the special equation स्पेशल इक्वेशन क्या है, x double dash of, that means double derivative of x double dash of x plus lambda x of x equals to 0. So we get the eigenvalues. What are the eigenvalues, lambda n equals to n pi square। okay, and corresponding to the eigenfunctions, eigenfunction क्या होगा, eigenfunction हो जाएगा xn of x equals to sin n pi x for n equals to 1 2 3 up to infinity. The time t dependent on the equation t dash of t plus 4 n pi whole square into t of t equals to 0 has solution। solution क्या आएगा, tn of t equals to e to the power minus 4 n pi whole square into t। so combining this, the solution to the PD is u of x comma t, that means providing the summation sign over n equals to 1 to infinite, that means bn of sin n pi x e to the power minus 4 pi 4 into n pi square into t. Okay, so using the initial condition, what is the initial condition? U of x comma 0, that means sin n pi x and u of x comma 0, that is equals to infinite over n equals to 1 to infinite sum over summation, and the summation term is bn of into sin n pi x. Okay, where sin n pi x equals to sin pi x. Okay, so we can find b1 equals to 1 and b1 equals to 1 and bn equals to 0 for n not equals to 1. Thus the condition u of xt equals to sin pi x e to the power minus 4 into pi square t. So what will be the behavior of gt? gt means g of t. Here the function is gt is defined as integration over 0 to 1 u of x comma t whole square dx. Substituting u of xt, what will be the value? gt equals to integration over 0 to 1 sin pi x into e to the power minus 4 pi square into t over total whole square over dx, that is equals to e to the power minus 8 pi square t, that means integration over 0 to 1, that means sin square pi x dx. Okay, so the integral evaluates to integration of 0 to 1 sin square pi x dx equals to half. So therefore g of t, that is equals to half of e to the power minus 8 pi square t. And so what is the conclusion here? So the conclusion is gt equals to 8 pi minus e to the power minus 8 pi square t, so which is monotonically decreasing function on 0 comma infinity and approaches 0 as 0 को कैसे अप्रोच करता है t to infinite. Okay, so where the correct option is g is decreasing on 0 comma infinity and limit t tends to gt equals to 0. So option A here, ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, ए हो जाएगा यहाँ पर सही जवाब। ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारा वीडियो को देखने के लिए और ऐसे ही बहुत सारा मैथ्स का ट्रिक्स को जानने के लिए हम आप जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए सौरभ सर क्लासेस को। आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।